It's livery day. Got the car out back, just cleaned it up, about to pull it in. Day. Driver's meeting tech all over. It's time to go out. All right. Got the car out back, just cleaned it up, about to pull it in. Let's get it. All right, just pulled in the car. You see, it's on the lift. I'm gonna get cracking with this. Vinyl finally came in the mail. Took way longer than I hoped. I'm not proud of the amount of email communication that I sent and didn't receive back, but nonetheless, it's here. We're gonna get it installed. Live action. Not sure how much got recorded. GoPro's been going off and on, but Rookie showed up, give me a little bit of company while he watched the initial D. But you know, this is a long process. It's already probably 4 hours in. Starting to transform. Unfortunately, I have lost number 11 for the rear. I ordered 2 liveries and they were printed on the same sheet. I ended up cutting the sheets apart and gave the other one to Marcus, so I'm thinking that's on his sheet. Definitely gonna double check, but nonetheless, driver's side is nearly complete. Still gotta do the passenger side. Still got to print out all my sponsor decals, all the brands, and then throw those on as well. But as you can see, there's a little bit of vinyl on the car. Not looking terrible. Day 2 on the livery install. About to knock out the passenger side. Already got the hood decals done off camera. Looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good on camera, but in person, got a bunch of creases. It's gonna be a 10-foot car. Definitely hate to put this dollar store vinyl on top of the paint, but in the end, it's gonna make it look a little better. Day 3 on the livery install. Did not have fun yesterday. As you can see, gonna have to do something about that. I'll take my time on the rest of it. But I did find out that after waiting this whole time, I did not receive number 11 decal for the rear bumper. Hit them up, they're like, oh snap, I'm not sure how that happened, but they're gonna get that shipped out. Hopefully it's before this event. Pretty disappointed about that, given how long I had to wait to begin with. But as mentioned, I'm gonna take my time on the rest of these vinyls, get this thrown on today. Done with the main color as well as the shadow color on the passenger side of the car. Went ahead and started throwing on the stars. You can see, looking pretty good. Go ahead and knock out the remaining, I think 2 more stars on the passenger side, and then I'm going to go over to the driver's side. Just like that, got the livery done. Both sides. Just gotta throw some branding decals on there. Livery's coming together. A few more decals that they're on there. Everything's looking pretty good. Something team shit. I don't know. Something like that. Alright, got the car out in the sunlight. As you can see, doesn't look terrible. few decals I got to add in a few places. Throw another Big Country Labs logo on the passenger side. But loading up the truck, you know what that means. Going drifting. May Day has come back around for 2024. Last year it was a great time. Put the bumper on the wall, traded paint with it. Didn't hurt the car or anything like that. It was my first wall tap. So definitely excited to get back out there. Friday and Saturday, party time. Fortunately, I don't have enough tire to even party one complete day. Taking scrubs out there, but got to debut the car in the livery form. Have fun with the boys. All loaded up. It's time to go meet the boys over at the Casey station. Just got the kill care. It's gonna be a little bit till we get up to the gates. Long line.
Didn't recognize you in the beer, I ain't gonna lie. No, not that. I swear. I did.
Made it out here, unloaded, just about to go to tech. Let's get it done. Driver's meeting tech, it's all over. It's time to go out.
I just ran out of